I got the old one right here. I got the new one. So I'm about to install this in a few seconds. First. So it's gonna be 4 screws. I took one off, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Simplest part. I already unscrewed some of these already, so I'm just redoing this for the video. And I already unscrewed this one, so it's the same thing. Then it's gonna come off just like this. There you go. There you go. Got it on there. I need my screws. Okay, got it in there. Now I got to put the screws in there. That's the inside right here. This was pretty easy. If I wasn't recording, this probably take like 5 minutes to do, maybe even less than that, probably like 1 minute. So easy repair. Don't pay nobody to do this for you. This is super easy for a Lexus. 4 screws, just need a Phillips, pop, put back in, done. Easy.